Lawson Yeager, physical therapist with Active Body Physical Therapy here in Southern California, and you're watching Active Body PT TV. Today we're going to talk about neck pain. So I think everyone at some point in their life experiences neck pain, maybe neck and headaches. Those two often go together. Often neck and shoulder pain go together, but we're going to limit it to neck pain right now. So our head is a heavy ball balanced on a kind of a small golf tee, and the muscles in the neck, back of the neck here, sides of the neck, front of the neck a little bit, are responsible for holding that ball on top of the tee and moving your head around. You know, we do a lot of time texting, so we're in this forward flex position. We sit back and binge watch Netflix, and our neck is like this. We all spend lots of computer time, whatever job you're in. There seems to be a lot of people spending hours and hours on computer. I found myself getting sucked into the computer this way, and before I know it, I'm like this, and putting a lot of tension and pressure on the back of my head and the back of my neck. So what can you do at home on your own to help get rid of neck pain? One of the things is posture. Is just sit up straight. You want to get your ears aligned with your shoulders. If you get this going on where your ears are in front of your shoulders, it is extending your head. It's putting pressure and compression on the back of your neck and straining your muscles, and that's going to be a problem down the road for you probably. So how do we fix that? Sit up straight, maybe get a towel roll behind your back, sit up straight, and then one of the first exercises I call is chin tucks. So if we're in this position, we want to sit up straight, we want to just kind of press our chin back like this. It's not a big motion, but you're going to feel a little stretch back here in your neck, back here. So chin tucks, and you don't have to push hard. You can just do this. You can feel a little stretch. Maybe do about 10 of those. You might want to take a break every so often from the computer or video games and do a few of those every 30, 45 minutes or so. Next one is going to be chin tucks with a side and a diagonal stretch. So I see a lot of people doing hard stretching to the side. Just don't do that hard. Here's what I like to do, is I like to have your hand underneath the chair, and it just kind of anchors this shoulder down, so you're not stretching and this is just coming up. So it anchors that shoulder down. You just hook your hand underneath. Do a chin tuck, so you're not in this position. I'll show you sideways. You're not in this position. You always start with the chin tuck, and then you're gonna real gently stretch to the side. So you're kind of bringing your ear towards your shoulder, but you're not trying to touch your shoulder. You're just getting a slight pressure, and count to 20, 30 seconds. You'll feel a little stretch in the side, maybe down even into your shoulder. So chin tuck, hook the hand, anchor the shoulder, nice easy stretch, 20, 30 seconds. And I would do these both ways, left and right. That way, so you're getting both. The other is a chin tuck, anchor the hand, and do a diagonal stretch. So you're going to bring your chin down towards your chest, and maybe a little bit of pressure that way, just slightly. You're not trying to, press your nose down to the floor, but just a little slight diagonal stretch. And I would do that one both ways too. Chin tuck, chin to chest, away from that hand that's down in the chair, diagonal stretch, and that's going to be a little bit more in the back of your neck. The last one is, a lot of people have a hard time turning over, checking that blind spot driving. They turn like this, they look like a robot. So we want to work on that rotation. Again, start with sitting up straight, chin tuck. Now you don't have to be pushing it back as hard as you can, but just don't be like this. This is what's causing the problem. Sit up straight, get that chin back, and then you do a little bit of rotation. So maybe I'm gonna look to my right, and I'm gonna chin tuck here, and then I might give a little pressure this way, so there's a little pressure for a stretch. Do a couple of those. Some people push here, but that may give you some TMJ issues. I would do them both ways. One other way to do this one is with a towel, and This is kind of an awkward, strange one, but I'll do it. Let's see, I'll do it this way. So you're gonna get a long towel and kind of stabilize your neck here so you can pull down slightly. And then I'm gonna rotate towards this side. So I'm gonna kind of bring this across my forehead and just, I can give myself a little stretch that way and relax. And I would do that both ways. You know, this way, you can come across, stretching that way. And another little trick that sometimes gives you a little bit more flexibility and range of motion if you do a little contract relax. So if you give a little pull, say count to 20 seconds, and then you gently try to turn your head back this way. So I'm gonna kind of push back and then let go and relax, big breath, and then a little bit more stretch. And then you can do that the other way too. So contract for about a 5-second hold, and then big breath out, and then stretch the other way. So those are 3: chin tucks with a side bend, chin tucks with diagonal stretch, and a chin tuck with rotation. Hope you liked that video. If you did, hit the subscribe button down below. Leave a comment. We're open for new videos, what you'd like to see. And thanks for watching Active Body PT TV.